Hello everybody. For the past few days, you guys must have heard a lot about Bitcoin dominance and then market cap of Bitcoin, then crypto market caps, and you guys must have figured like you must have like trouble understanding what it actually means, how it actually works. So today it's an educational video where I'm going to talk about Bitcoin dominance, then the market cap of the whole market, how is it divided, and what it actually means. So this is a chart of market cap of Bitcoin dominance. So now I'll open a chart of total market cap. So this is the amount of money in crypto. So in crypto, it's currently at 2.328 trillion. So we had a peak of 2.389 trillion at the past, like when Bitcoin made an all-time high. And so currently it's almost near all-time high, near 2.327 trillion. So how is dominance? What is dominance compared to like considered with this? So this is the total amount in crypto, 2.327 trillion, and out of this amount 46.31 percentage is with Bitcoin, which means 43 or 46.32 percentage of 2.326 trillion is holding with Bitcoin. So this is how, so when someone says Bitcoin dominance is increasing, that means out of the total market cap, which is the majority share of this, like if I've seen the market as booming, so the majority share of money flow is into Bitcoin. So I guess now you understand why your ALT is bleeding, and by Bitcoin dominance increasing, in the sense Bitcoin, the money flow, the money which is flowing to crypto is moving to Bitcoin, not into ALTs. So when the money moves into Bitcoin, Bitcoin dominance increases. So now Bitcoin holds nearly out of 100%. So this 2.327 is considered as 100% of the total money which is in crypto. So out of 100%, 46% is with Bitcoin. So now you guys must be thinking, if 46% is with Bitcoin, the remaining 54% must be with the ALTs. So if you look over here, this is the chart of like the market cap of other ALTs other than Bitcoin. So other than Bitcoin, all the remaining coins which are in the market, this is the money flow in them. So if seen, it has not taken a much dip, only a slight 6% correction, and it's 1.246 trillion. But you must have seen your ELTs bleed 10 to 15%. So what must be the reason? The reason for that is, out of this 100%, you see this 2.323 trillion. So this considers 100%. 63% of this money is inside Bitcoin and Ethereum alone. So I'll say it again. So out of this amount, which is 63% of 2.323, is inside Bitcoin and Ethereum alone. And the top 10 ELTs, including your stable coins, the top 10 coins of crypto, those top 10 coins hold 80% of the whole market cap, 80% of this 2.323 trillion. So your remaining ALTs, which is around 10,000 to 12,000 to 14,000, the remaining ALTs, so they cover only 20% of this amount. So when you see this, your remaining amount of, I mean, the 20% is actually too less for the remaining ALTs, and due to that, your ALTs have starting to bleed, and if you see in the coming days, your ALT market cap might decrease up to 1.2 trillion. So it can start holding this support, and when this happens, you might see your ALTs bleed more, and the money flow into Bitcoin. I mean, the dominance of Bitcoin can go up to 50 over here, and when this happens, it can even break its own all-time high of this total crypto market. It can go up to 2.5 or 2.8 trillion to when Bitcoin makes a new all-time high. So that will be in the coming days. So this is actually the basics of how to, or like what is considered, and what is about ALTs and how much ALTs own. So I guess you guys must have understood, and if you guys have any queries, you guys can put in the comments, so I'll try to explain it on the next video or the part 2 of this video. So thank you guys, have a good day.